In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive old projects, teams, or tasks in Asana. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or simply trying to enhance productivity by decluttering, archiving inactive items is a great practice. Let's dive into the first method, which is archiving a project. To begin with, you'll need to log into your Asana account. Once you've logged in, look at the sidebar where you'll see the project section. This is where you'll find all your current projects listed. Browse through the list and locate the specific project you intend to archive. Once you've found it, click on the project to open it up and view all its details. You'll notice a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the project view. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll see an option labeled Archive Project. Select this option and voila, your project is archived. This means it's no longer in your active projects list, allowing for a cleaner view of current work. Now let's talk about archiving tasks. It's important to point out that Asana doesn't have a direct archive task feature. However, there's a simple workaround for this. First, open the task that you want to essentially archive, then look for the checkmark icon. Clicking this will mark the task as complete. Once completed, the task will automatically move out of your active view, serving the purpose of archiving without truly deleting anything. Moving on to teams, Asana currently doesn't provide a direct archive team option, but don't worry, there's a practical way to manage teams that are no longer in use. Start by clicking your profile avatar located in the top right corner, then navigate to the admin console. In here you can manage all aspects of your teams. To make an unused team easily identifiable as inactive, consider renaming it by adding a prefix like archived to the team's name. This makes it clear at a glance which teams are active and which are not. Next, you might want to manage the team members. To do this, go to Team Settings, then to the Members section. Here you can opt to remove members from the team, especially if they're no longer participating in the projects associated with that team. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can keep your Asana workspace clean and focused on your current work, ensuring that old projects, tasks, and teams don't clutter your view or distract you from what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your Asana space more effectively.